guys, what's up? It's Amanda, and today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. It's going to be a very natural, everyday, lightweight makeup look, which is what I normally go for. I already moisturized, but I feel like when I start my makeup, I just need like an extra layer of moisture. So I'm just going in and moisturizing under my eyes, and then like around my nose because they're feeling a little bit dry, and you don't want dry skin under fresh makeup. My chin is like my only problem area right now. I'm just letting it happen, honestly, and using my NARS foundation to cover it. So I actually have two shades. One is my winter shade, one is my summer shade, but this year I've just kind of not used my winter shade once. This was so funny. It was like literally the end of January and I'm like, gonna have to switch over to my winter shade soon, whatever. Fully not connecting that like it's been winter. Like, Amanda, this is not your color anymore, but I just don't want to admit it, so I mix both of them together. I start off with the darker one. This is in the shade Deauville, and I basically just go in on my chin with this one using my beauty blender, and this kind of cancels out the redness, and then I even it out with the lighter shade. Me and my bestie got like a pack of these beauty blenders, so you can tell it's like, actually it looks pretty good on camera, but it's a little bit orange for me. But we got like a 4-pack of beauty blenders for like 60 bucks. I try and not put foundation over my whole face. I usually leave my nose so that it looks a little bit more natural. That's definitely a hack. If you have like little freckles on your nose, letting them show through while putting foundation on like the rest of your face makes it look like you're not wearing any. I also go in on my forehead. Obviously I do have eyelash extensions, so definitely makes it a lot faster to do my makeup because I don't have to do any mascara or eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with Mont Blanc, the shade Light 2, and I basically just do this on like my chin and then kind of my jawline because I want to blend out the darker color to make sure I don't have any like orange line. I'm definitely gonna get a new foundation when this one runs out because honestly it is a little bit like, it gets a little bit cakey throughout the day when I use powder. Kind of starts to, I don't know, just look really shitty. It's like kind of crumbly. Honestly, I don't wear concealer or anything else on my face. I do need to get a green concealer. I feel like that would help my chin a lot, but I go in with a cream blush. This is the cream blush by Pixie by Petra, and it's in the shade Soft Strawberry. I do all my cream products before powder so that they can really just like soak into my skin rather than sit on top of the powder. I kind of always do it like on my cheekbone to elongate my face because I don't want it to be like on the apples of my cheeks. Like, next product, I'm sure you guys all have this. If you don't, I highly recommend getting the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Yeah, mine's translucent. I actually got this for Christmas, so it came with this little like powder puff, which just makes me feel like a bougie ass bitch. I never used to use powder because I always, and I still do, just like a really glowy, fresh, like no makeup look, and powder sometimes fucks that up for you. Okay, and I'm just doing my chin, so I'm gonna bake a little bit, and then I do my nose because my nose does get oily. And that's literally all that I powder until I do my contour, and then I cut that shit. For my contour, I use my Anastasia Contour Kit, light to medium. I've had this for maybe 4 years, 5 years, and I have yet to hit pan on any of the contour shades. I literally go in with all of them. These ones aren't honestly very pigmented, but this one is, so I kind of just like go for those all in, and then I'm just like, ooh. I just like contouring because I need some color on my face after applying foundation, especially if it's a little bit light for me. It just like kind of livens your face up. So if you're like intimidated by the concept of contouring, don't be. It's honestly not hard to do. As long as it's not like a line and you blend it out, you're blessed. And if you want to do something a little bit more natural, just go for like a lighter bronzer instead of a full contour. I usually do both, so I go in with that. And then I just take my Clinique bronzer, and you can use this on a fluffier brush. I usually go in with the same contour brush and then I just blend it out afterwards. And yeah, I honestly just go to town. I always blend it up onto my cheeks to kind of make it like a little blush moment. Blend it out with nothing on the brush. But this is where the real magic motherfucking happens, and you guys already know this. With your powder, you kind of do need a beauty blender or like a sharper angled brush to do this. I go from like my ear all the way to my lip. It's just like, bitch. I let that sit for a second and then I just blend it off. For my actual powder blush, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Party Time blush, and I again focus this on my cheekbones, and then with this one I definitely go in on my nose just to give me like more of a little natural glow. This is my Anastasia eyebrow pencil in chocolate. I kind of switch between this one and taupe, but this one's a bit darker, so this one is definitely my better eyebrow. It's really easy to fill in. I just do like feathered strokes. This one, bitch, it's a whole other situation. So I start with a line, kind of like that, and then I just feather up. This eyebrow is so annoying. Like, it's literally the worst part of my fucking makeup routine. Just brush them out. Then going in with my Essence Make Me Brow. Same shit as Benefit Gimme Brow. I just kind of set my eyebrows. Honestly, this is not a very strong setting gel. It's more of like a tint, but I think it just makes my eyebrows look a little bit more full. I don't get my eyebrows done literally ever. I've gotten them done one time in like grade 7, so I like the full kind of look. Anyways, now I'm just blending off the excess translucent powder. My favorite highlighter of literal all time is my MAC Soft and Gentle. Obviously apply it on my cheekbones. If you pop a little lip gloss on, you could end the look right here. But sometimes I do pop eyeshadow just on my lash line. Using my Charlotte palette, I use the color Wanderer. And I just pop this on my lower lash line. If I'm going out, I usually use a darker brown. For my lips, I just pop on this Smith's Minted Rose lip balm. I have like 5 lip balms in my bag at all times, so this one is actually a little bit tinted, and I don't have any Q-tips in here, but usually I do a lip balm and then use a Q-tip to take off. Actually, I should get a Q-tip. One sec. Take off all the foundation because it makes my lips look very nude. Then I just reapply the lip balm to get that sheen. You already know. I'm looking in the viewfinder because I don't have a mirror right now. Okay, that's Amanda applying lip balm for 5 minutes. Thank you. Sometimes I go in with my cream blush to give my lips a little bit of color. It is like a multi-balm. That's the completed look. It's super, super natural. Takes me, when I'm not filming, like maybe 7 minutes to do. And yeah, it's just very fresh, very summery, and once I do get tanned, I will be eliminating foundation, hopefully soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very excited to start filming again and uploading consistently. So yes, I will see you guys in a week with my next video.